To tilt. To tilt.
To tilt something means to tip it into a sloping position. For example, don't tilt your chair, you'll fall over. She tilted her glass and almost spilled some juice inside. To swirl. To swirl. To move quickly with a twisting, circular movement, or to make something do this. Swirl a little oil around the frying pan. He smiled, swirling the drink inside her glass. Flapjacks. Flapjacks. This word means another name for a pancake or griddle cake. For example, I like to flip flapjacks high into the air.
To limp. To limp.
To walk with difficulty, bed someone's leg or foot is hurt. He limped heavily as he moved. To drip. To drip. If a liquid drips, it falls in drops, or you make it fall in drops. Water dripped down the wall. Nude. Nude. Not wearing any clothes. There was a nude scene in the movie. I saw a nude girl on the beach.
To penetrate. To penetrate.
To penetrate something means to enter into it. He penetrated the knife on the bread.
Nope. Nope.
Nope is an informal way of saying no. He asked if I had any money, and I had to say no. To waylay. To waylay. To stop someone who is going somewhere. He waylaid me on the stairs. Barefoot. Barefoot. Without wearing anything on the feet. I will not walk barefoot. Put on shoes. To totter. To totter. To move in a feeble or unsteady way. For example, the pile of books tottered as he kept adding more books to it. The lady tottered in high heels. Odor. Odor. A smell, scent often unpleasant. I hate the odor of a cigarette smoke. To collide. To collide. To collide with something means to hit it while moving. For example, the two cars collided with each other because their drivers were not careful. Nippy. Nippy. It means cold. Put on your coat. It is quite nippy outside. To intimidate. To intimidate. To frighten others. My dad intimidates my mother and me when he is drunk. To loathe. To loathe. To hate very much. Let's eat broccoli. No, I loathe it. To lengthen. To lengthen. To make longer or to become longer. The mascara will lengthen your eyelashes. Defect. Defect. Defect is a part of something that is wrong or missing. All these bottles have a defect and must be sent back to the warehouse. Mansion. Mansion. A mansion is very large and expensive home. The mansion had 30 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, and a pool.